So guys, here you can see that I have created this such complex 3D model in SketchUp using a free plugin. So how to do it? Here you have to need a small box like that, and here you can see that I've installed widget toolbar. This is free plugin. You have to click over here. Just click over here. First point, then second point, third point, and finally just you have to click over here, top corner. Okay, double click. Now here we need to delete this extra lines over here, and we need to just copy it. Just press M with control like that. Okay, now here I am pressing A for arc line. Can you take another arc line in a blue axis? And here I have just select this line and right click and select this option polyline divider, and it will be 6 inches distance. Here you can see the divider edges. Then right click over done option. Now guys, here we have used another free plugin that is called a TIG extrude tool. Okay, so first you have to click at this option, then click over line, then second curve line, third curve line, and finally over fourth curve line. And here you have to select profile and rail option, click over OK button, and here you have to select 3D option, then click OK, and then here I will select no option, and then in a lattice properties I have just edit the parameters. So here I am selecting a white material and panel will be glass, and then click over OK button. Now here, just if you want to erase original curve, then click yes button. Now here you can see the complex model are generated. Now here we need to use a flip tool. So just select model, click over here, click over red plane and drag over here, then press Ctrl one time to mirror it. Now here again we need to move it with Control to copy. Okay, just like that, and type X5 for 5 number of copies. Now here you can see this is easily done using this plugin, guys. So guys, if you really like my content, please share, follow, and like. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun. See you next tutorial. Thank you.